Are you drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water every day? If not, then this video will help you out. Our body is 60 to 70% water and we constantly lose water throughout the day by urine and sweat. So we need to drink sufficient quantity of water in order to stay hydrated. If you are familiar with Japanese culture, then you might be knowing that Japanese drink 2 to 3 glasses of water every single morning as soon as they wake up. And you know what? You should also drink water as soon as you wake up in the morning, and that too without brushing your teeth, because morning saliva according to Ayurveda is very much beneficial for our health. Also, you must drink 500 to 1 liter of water every single morning in order to make the process effective. And my dears, you have to drink at least lukewarm water in order to increase the efficiency. But wait, while drinking the water, never chug it down, rather drink it sip by sip, as chugging it will not be of any benefit. Yes, and you should drink water sip by sip every time whenever you drink water in a day, as chugging it will push the gastric juices stored in your stomach upwards, which will lead to various digestive problems such as appendix, hernia, and etc. Drinking water in the morning flushes up your bowels. Yes, you heard it right. When you drink a lot of water in the morning, you will feel the urge to flush your bowels. It clears out all the toxins and waste stored in your body, resulting in detoxifying it. Drinking water at the morning has several more benefits such as increasing the metabolism, increasing your efficiency, reducing the blood pressure, helping in weight loss, increasing skin complexion, and so on. So from next time, whenever you wake up in the morning, never forget to drink water and make it an essential part of your daily routine. Always drink lukewarm water or water which is at least at room temperature, and avoid drinking chilled water, as chilled water shrinks down the blood vessels in your stomach, which affects the digestion process, and due to which the speed of digestion is lowered down, and due to which the food does not get digested properly, and due to which in the long run it increases the body fat level. Drinking chilled water reduces the body temperature, and therefore the energy stored in your body is spent on regulating the body temperature and bringing it to normal level, which results in loss of energy. If you are not able to avoid drinking chilled water, then one thing you can do is to start drinking water which is stored in earthen pot, which is also known as matke ka pani. I am sure this will help you compensate drinking chilled water. Now let us discuss about how much water you should drink in a day. After a lot of trial and error and various researches, I have come up with my personal formula for calculating the required quantity of water by our body according to our weights. So simply multiply your body weight by 2 by 45 and you will get your desired result. For example, if your body weight is 60 kilos, then multiply it by 2 by 45, which will come up with 2.66 liters of water, which is your daily minimum water requirement. We can complete this milestone by drinking water every single hour with a minimum quantity of 250 ml. I'm going to come up with a new video describing the proper routine, which means at what time, at which hour you should drink water, and for this subscribe this channel. So for drinking water you can do two things, and the first one is subscribing this channel, and the second one is my personal solution, and that is downloading an app named Drink Water Reminder. I am using this app for more than a year now, and I must say it turned out to be a savior for me, and it might turn out savior for you as well. You can modify it according to your need as well. Now let's discuss about some of the myths and facts for drinking water at the time of a meal. See guys, most of the people have a tendency to drink water right before the meal, during a meal, and after the meal. As you have landed on my channel, I must let you know that you should never drink water at least 1 hour after the meal, as drinking it right after the meal will dilute the stomach acid, which will lead to improper digestion of your food. Some of us have a habit of drinking water before the meal, which is a good thing, but you might be drinking it the wrong way. You should drink water at least 30 minutes before the meal, and that too you should drink it sip by sip. You know that this drinking of water is very much beneficial, as it hydrates the buffering line which is present in our stomach, thus helping in forming sufficient stomach acids. One more important thing, if you are habituated with drinking water during the meal, then you can reduce the quantity of water to 50 ml to 100 ml maximum, and this 50 ml of water will convert your food into a paste or sauce, which will lead to easing the digestion process. Now you might be meeting your daily requirement of water as per the calculation, but who knows, your body might be requiring more of it. You can know this by a few simple indicators. The first one is inflammation. In simple words, if you are having skin rashes or acne pores, then it's the time to increase your water intake. The second is, if you are having a dry lips, your skin, your hair, your eyes are getting dry, then again it's the time. Then at the morning when you go to the washroom and you find that your urine is not clear and is dark yellow in color, also you are not having a proper bowel movement for 1 day or more, then your body might be requiring more water. And don't worry, you don't have to increase your water intake just by taking the water alone. Instead, you should increase your water intake by consuming fruits and vegetables which are high in water intake, such as cucumber, lettuce, cabbage, watermelon, honeydew melon, musk melon, which is also known as kharbuza in Hindi, and so on. These fruits and vegetables have 80 to 90% of water content in them. Moreover, these fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants required by our body. So guys, these all were my personal recommendations and tips on drinking water. I will conclude my video by focusing on few points which you should put concern on. The first one, never drink water by standing, because the water will not be able to disperse properly in your body. Number 2, always drink water sip by sip rather than chugging it down, as chugging it will kill the digestive fire required by your stomach to process the food. The third one, always try to drink water which is lukewarm or which is at least at room temperature. If you are able to, then you must try to drink water stored in copper or silver vessels, as these vessels are found to have antioxidant and antibacterial properties. If you find my video worthy, then do like this channel and give it a thumbs up, and do share it with your friends and family so that they can also know the true facts and proper information about drinking water. And do subscribe this channel so that you become a member of this channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified for any of my upcoming videos. With this, signing off, Rishabh Agarwal. Thank you for watching my video.